Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the Entangled Power Cell in Subnautica 2. To get the Entangled Power Cell blueprint, start from the front courtyard of the alien ruins, located about 1,040 meters east of your life pod. From there, head east and maintain a depth of around 300 meters, which you can monitor just below your compass. Because of the depth, it's recommended to have the tadpole depth module installed on your vehicle. Keep swimming straight east until you spot the silhouette of the alien power plant. Continue past it and you'll eventually reach a tall mountain with a man-made platform built into its side. Swim up to the platform and you'll find two entangled power cells sticking out of some crates. Pull out your scanner and scan both of them to unlock the blueprint. Alternatively, if you've already reached the Metal Farms biome, you can also unlock the blueprint by harvesting Troilites. Once you've unlocked the blueprint, return to your base and craft entangled power cells, which provide more power and last longer than the standard power cells used by your tadpole. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.